It's Anansi and Sewa, clever and kind, solving little problems with big bright minds. Join the fun, come sing and play. It's a beautiful world, we'll save the day. Woo!
It was an ordinary morning in the animal village until Anansi found something shiny on Grammy Spider's shelf.
Ooh, what's this sparkly thing?
Anansi, don't touch that. Grammy says some of her charms are still active.
You better not be messing with my magic.
Let him. The last time I touched that one, I flew for 3 days, straight into a rainbow.
That explains your fuzzy memory.
Be careful, kids.
With a sudden flash, the village flipped. Huts floated, trees turned sideways, and the river flowed into the sky.
Did I do that?
Everything's upside down.
The villagers scrambled to adjust. Pots floated, chickens clucked from treetops, and Mummy Spider hung from a ceiling hut.
My trinket! That charm reverses gravity.
See? Told you it makes you fly.
I feel like yesterday's socks.
Who's going to clean up floating soup?
Grammy, how do we fix this?
You'll need to find the center stone deep in the jungle. It can restore balance.
Just follow the trail of backward footprints. And don't forget to blink twice at the upside-down mushrooms.
And so, with silk packs strapped tight, Anansi and Sewa set off into the upside-down jungle, dodging floating goats and flying yams.
This is wild. Look, that monkey's canoeing in the air.
Focus. Grammy said the center stone lies where the roots kiss the sky.
Sounds poetic. I say we go that way. The river is upside down, so let's follow the splash clouds.
As they journeyed on, the jungle got stranger.
There's the upside down mushroom trail.
Blink twice, she said, right?
But just then, a thwip! Anansi's web
these
slingshot
coconuts don't
malfunctioned
play.
and flung him face first into a floating coconut.
Oof, these coconuts don't play.
Maybe use your extra legs next time?
All 8 are fine. Thank you very much.
They reached a clearing where time seemed paused. Floating frogs mid-leap, still bees mid-buzz.
The center stone must be close.
Do you hear that humming?
The humming turned into a whisper that became a voice. At the center floated the center stone, a glowing chunk of rock encircled by runes and mist.
Only those who solve the riddle of right may reset the world.
We are ready.
Hit us with your best rhyme.
The riddle rang out. What has roots that reach high, yet touches no sky?
A tree! Upside down!
Nailed it!
The stone glowed brighter, but nothing happened.
Wait, maybe it's not just about the riddle.
What else is there?
You must balance more than the ground. Balance your hearts.
Grammy's voice echoed in their minds.
Kindness makes the magic stick.
Anansi, maybe we fix this. Together.
Alright, Silk Link handshake.
The world began to shift. Slowly, huts returned to earth, rivers reversed, villagers landed with a soft thud on the ground.
Finally, I could cook without my soup floating away.
Looks like teamwork won the day.
Reminds me of the time I untangled
Looks like
a
teamwork
tornado
won
with
the
floss.
day.
You've earned dessert tonight.
I promise not to touch anything magical again. Maybe.
Just then, a mango pie floated back into the sky.
Anansi,
I swear it wasn't me this time.
Oh no! I left the broom charm out.
A final riddle for you, explorers. What stands on legs, weaves through air, and solves problems with care?
that's easy. It's us.
Or maybe you watching from home.
Back at the baobab tree, Grumpy Spider told his usual wild tales.
I once built a house in the clouds using snail shells.
And he got stuck there for 2 days.
As the moon rose, the spider family snuggled together, webbed hammocks swaying gently in the breeze.
You both made us proud.
It was an adventure, all right.
Next time, I vote for a picnic.
Until next time, brave thinkers. Today, young adventurers. Until next time, keep dancing to your own rhythm.
It's a beautiful world. Come sing and play.